Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing good. And today I wanted to talk about my cooking and my hydration system for the PCT. This should be a quick video. There's not much to talk about it, but I also will be showing my food storage, how I'm gonna be storing my food. So let's get started. So here it is. I'm gonna start with my hydration. This is the Sawyer Micro. I know people have been having some troubles with it, but I want to give it a try myself and see how it goes. I will have another filter in my bounce box just in case this one doesn't work. But this one, when I weighed it, as soon as it came out of the box, it was dry, no water inside, nothing. It was 1.5 ounces, so that's pretty light. Alright, and it had a really good flow, just like the other micros, so let's see how it goes. But I'm willing to give it a try. These are my two bladders for water storage. Each one carries 2 liters. They're not completely full, but so what I'm going to be doing is I have the CNOC bag, but it's very heavy, and the only thing that it's good for is to filter water, because just storing water, it's just very flimsy, hard to keep, it doesn't have it's not firm like this. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be collecting water here. I'm going to use my titanium cup in case I need, it's a shallow stream or something. I will use my cup to fill the bag. So then I will attach my Sawyer and filter onto the other bag and my bottle of water. And then if it's a stretch that I need to carry a lot of water, then I will also fill up this one with dirty water. So I'm going to write it down right here, dirty water. And this one will be designated just for dirty water. So if I have to carry dirty water, I will. And then when it comes to the point that I need that water, I'll just filter it. Alright, so I will be carrying max of 5 liters. And like my plan is just to always drink 1 liter of water when I get to the water source. Drink it slowly, not too fast, because then your body will want to pee. So you want to drink slowly, like 1 cup, and then hold on for a minute. So it's good to not to be in a hurry and just take your time getting your water so you can hydrate. So that liter that I drink will actually allow me not to have to carry that liter. It'll take me another 5 to 6 miles until I need to drink water again. Alright, so let's do my cooking system. So for my cooking system, my plan for cooking is actually I will go stoveless in warm sections, like starting in Agua Dulce all the way to Kennedy Meadows and Northern California. Northern California. Alright, and then maybe some parts of Oregon too. I know I will want to have my stove for Washington and for the Sierra. So this is my cooking pot. This is a Toaks Titanium 750 ml. It's a perfect size for 1 person. I thought about getting a smaller one, but it is just 0.2, not even 0.2 of an ounce heavier than the 650. So I just think this is the perfect size. I will have a Bic Lighter, a mini. I will have a little sponge, just this rough part so it doesn't create smells. And the gas canister, just whichever I get, whenever I get it. So this is not even counting part of the base weight, but just so you can see how I store, like this. and I put here. So let me show you my stove. So okay, so I am in a bind because I don't know exactly which stove I want to take. I don't know if I want to take my MSR Pocket Rocket 2, which is heavier than the BRS stove, but it's so much better for cooking and simmering things. The BSR is very lightweight, but it's the flame, there's no control on the flame, and it's flimsy, like you may drop. It doesn't hold the pan very well, but it's lightweight. So it depends what you want. You know, I'm still thinking which one it's gonna be. Right now on my base weight, I'm counting the BRS, right? Yeah, the BRS stove. That's the one that is on my list, and that's the one that I'm planning to. So what I do is just put in a little thing like this just to protect it from, you know, breaking, or and then close. One more thing that I've seen it works is like when you cook on your pot, and then you need to just keep it warm after you're done. Hold on. I have used this little sack as a cozy, and it worked pretty good. So, oh God, how do you do things with one hand? Well, anyways, you get the gist. So this is gonna be my storage. I will not be hanging anything because I hate hanging my food. But I also don't want to keep anything in my tent for safety and also for preservation of wildlife. I want to just, this is so easy because I can just go ahead and hang on a tree, on a branch, whenever I have to. This is the Ursack Major XL. So this is not the largest one, but it's the one before the largest one. And what I like about it is that it fits exactly my odor bag, which is the Opsack. Opsack, I never know exactly what the name is, but I will definitely include everything in the description below so you can check it out. It fits inside, and then you just tie to whatever. So it works very good in the desert where you have a rodent problem. They can come and chew your things. It works in bear country because bears can't destroy this. This is made of Kevlar, which is a bulletproof material. And this is to control the smell, so everything that you have inside doesn't give out smells. I hope that that's what it is, but I believe it's a very thick. I think it's 5 or 6 mil thickness. So yeah. And this is my bear can. This is gonna be for the Sierra section of the PCT through hike. As most of you guys know, we're not allowed to use. It's mandatory to have a bear can on that area. So it weighs 2.5 pounds, but you have to think that it's almost the same weight of 1 liter of water. And in the Sierra, you don't carry nearly as much water as we have to carry in the desert. So it balances it out. It doesn't really makes any difference on the weight of your pack or on the weight of your, you know, or what you've been carrying before. So there's that myth. Everybody goes like, oh, a bear can, but it actually, no, it's 2.5 pounds. A liter of water is 2.2 pounds, 1 liter. So that's 1 liter that you're gonna be carrying less in the Sierra anyway. So yeah, it's not that bad. And it also, you can sit on it, use it as a little seat. So that's my cooking system, and I believe I have everything already chosen for my through hike, and with the cooking and my hydration system. If you have any question, feel free to post it on the comment section below. I will reply it as soon as possible. I also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe if you want to follow my PCT through hike next year. I also have several videos of hiking and backpacking with my kids and some videos of gears, you know, here and there. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great week and an amazing day, and I hope you guys get a chance to go outside if you can, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Peace.